There is a new tech feature for book lovers on Spotify, and today we're gonna test it out. It's called Page Match, which allows users to quickly and seamlessly sync Spotify's audiobook playback to the exact same spot on your book's page, whether you're reading a hardcover, paperback, ebook, or listening on the go. So, how does it work? First, you need to look up the book you're reading on the Spotify app. Then find the Page Match button, if it's an eligible title, and then scan the page of your book that you're on. The Spotify app will automatically jump the audiobook to where you left off in your book. Now let's test it out with my paperback copy of A Court of Thorns and Roses by Sarah J. Maas.
Chapter 14. Western Woods. Grove of young birch trees. Slaughtered chicken. Double loop snare. Close to running water. I repeated Lucian's instructions as I walked out of the manor, through the cultivated gardens, across the wild, rolling, grassy hills beyond them, over clear streams and into the spring woods beyond.
Now you might be saying, Morgan, what if I want to jump back to my book? Well, that's easy. All you have to do is click the Page Match button again and click the Jump Back to Book option. You then will click Find My Page and scan it once again near your current chapter. You can see I just rescanned the page where I started, the first page of chapter 14. I had to flip the pages while scanning, pausing so the app could read the page until I found the spot I should pick up from in my physical book, which it shows you by highlighting the section in green. Remember, this works with ebooks too. Page Match is available for most English titles and is not limited to a single device or book format, though more will be added at a later date. It's also available only on iOS and Android devices for people with a premium family, or Audiobook Plus subscriptions. While free users can use it with individual audiobooks they purchase through Spotify, all thanks to Spotify's new partnership with bookshop.org. Overall, I think this is a really useful feature for someone like me, because I am awful at scheduling time to read, even though I prefer reading physical books, unless it's my book reading date night. Using this feature when I am cleaning the house, grocery shopping, or even cooking dinner will be a good way for me to progress through my books quicker than I ever have before. I do hope they expand their library soon, as I am currently reading a lot of Japanese light novels that have been translated to English, and those aren't available on Spotify at all yet. But you know what? Let us know your thoughts of the Page Match feature in the comments, because I want to know. Is this something you're going to use?